Hello viewers! Today I'm going to show you a simple dish that's delicious and goes great with makgeolli. It's acorn jelly. So the thing is, I brewed with acorn starch in a previous video, but what should I do with the rest of my acorn starch? I'm going to make dotorimuk following Mangchi's recipe. This is a dish that traditionally goes well with makgeolli, and I can't wait to try it out here. So acorn starch is very finely ground. This is what it looks like. We're going to use half a cup of acorn starch and 3 cups of water. Of course, you should go watch Mangchi's video to see the real instructions how to make this. But I wanted to show you how simple it is to make. The trickiest part is mixing it well and then straining it to remove any lumps. So that's important, and we're going to heat this up, constantly stirring. I almost forgot to add the salt. I need half a teaspoon of salt here. Don't stop stirring, and it darkens and thickens up nicely. And pour that into some kind of shallow dish that you can put in the fridge. All right, so that's going to go in the fridge for 4 hours. And as we're waiting, I'm going to make the sauce. Cut up some green onions, cut up some garlic. And a third of a cup of soy sauce, some honey. Again, this is Mangchi's recipe. Some sesame oil, and we're going to add some sesame seeds later too, and some hot pepper flakes, gochugaru. Mix that up, and that's the sauce. So let's toast those sesame seeds. They'll taste a lot better. So keep them spread out and stirring, and they'll start popping out. That's when you know it's time to stop. They're done. Oh, the special thing that's really useful here is this kind of cutter. This crinkle cutter that will, luckily we had one. Didn't even realize it. So after 4 hours in the fridge, take it out, just separate it along the edges, and let's see if this works. If I flip it over, what is going to happen? Okay, it just all comes out. Okay, well that looks pretty good. That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I'm going to cut this up into sort of bite-sized pieces and use the crinkle cutter. It's actually quite important to have a crinkle cutter. That'll make the pieces a lot easier to pick up with chopsticks. If every edge is just flat, they're really hard to pick up. And the flavor is on its own is quite plain. That's why it's very good to have this flavorful sauce. It's light and plain. It goes great with makgeolli. And if you want to be a little fancier, you can make a salad. Just add whatever vegetables you have. And it'd be even better if I had some lettuce, but I did not have some lettuce. With the rest of the dotorimuk, just mix in the rest of the sauce and the vegetables, and there's your salad with acorn jelly. Well, thanks for watching this video. Go watch Mangchi's video, and stay tuned for next week's makgeolli video.